Good morning, friends. Today I am going to teach you the 10th class English lesson, unit number 2, lesson number 4.
Yes.
2.4 in Epitome of Courage, धैर्याचे उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण. Warming up. A strange truth, handicapped are those who refuse to take a challenges even with all their sense and psychology in perfect condition. You should listen carefully and understood, discuss about the truth. Now I will take chit chat activity lesson and listen carefully, learn carefully. There are pleasant and polite ways of referring to people with physical and mental disabilities. So see below. Previously used term, new polite terms: blind, usually challenged, deaf, hearing impaired, dumb, speech impaired, mad, mentally retarded, lame, physically impaired. So I will teach a lesson. You open your books and listen carefully. An epitome of courage, धैर्याचे उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण. We often tend to hide behind our weaknesses, disabilities, handicaps, or mourn over them our whole life through. Dr. Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest scientists of this century, did not do as. In spite of suffering from a very rare and dreaded disease, Dr. Hawking continued his research undaunted. His exemplary courage should inspire us to do our best even under trying circumstances. Now, exemplary means worth of imitation and admirable. In Marathi, अनुकरणीय. See second stanza. Exactly 300 years after the death of the great scientist Galileo, Dr. Stephen Hawking was born in Oxford, London on the 8th day of January 1942. Little did his parents know that one day their little boy would be hailed as one of the greatest scientists of this century. Neither could anybody imagine that his mind would soar up into space like light. More importunately, none could predict that he would be the very epitome of courage. Epitome means उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण. Courage is the wonderful thing. It is that quality which makes people not lose heart when faced with a great calamity. It would not be exaggeration to say that Dr. Stephen Hawking, a living legend of cosmology, is the very personification of courage and hope. Except his mind, his whole body is bound to wheeler chair, thanks to a cruel quirk of fate. Yet he is one of the greatest scientists of this century. Quirk of fate means नियतीचा बदल, and cosmology means विहीन उत्पन्न निश्चित. An average child, Stephen grew up to be a normal teenager full of mischief and lots of love for music and mathematics. Even though his father wanted him to study medicine, he was bent on studying mathematics. The University of Oxford at that time did not have a courage in mathematics, so he opted to study physics instead. Now, I will ask one question. What did Stephen Hawking's parents fail to know about him? That one day their little boy would become one of the greatest scientists of the century. What is the courage? Courage is the wonderful thing. Stephen Hawking sent for study mathematics in University of Oxford. So I will give some information and also introduction from English to in simple language. Introduction and summary I will tell you. The present articles is about the famous scientist Dr. Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was born on 8 January 1942 and died on 14 March 2018. He was a British scientist and cosmologist and author. The present article tells us about the extraordinary works of Dr. Stephen Hawking. Dr. Hawking was a disabled person. Although he faced many physical weaknesses, he discovered many interesting and amazing things about the universe. Dr. Stephen Hawking was born in Oxford, London. Hardly anybody thought that Stephen would become a great scientist. None could imagine that his intelligence would give birth to amazing and realistic findings about the universe. Dr. Stephen Hawking was a normal teenager. He was mischievous and had love for music and mathematics. His father wanted him to study medicine, whereas he wanted to study mathematics. He was highly interested in mathematics. He sought admission at the University of Oxford by choosing the subject physics. The subject mathematics was not available then. Dr. Stephen Hawking enjoyed his childhood as an average teenager. He faced the physical problems from the age of 17. He fell down several times at 17 years of age. I will ask you some following web chart containing the qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking. You listen carefully and solve. Qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking: adventurous, courage, creative, polite, enthusiastic, brilliant. Now I will going to some sentences. See, Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. Make exclamatory. What a humble man Dr. Hawking is. He was very clumsy. Make exclamatory. How clumsy he was. He was very simple and intelligent. How simple and intelligent he was. Courage is truly wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing courage is. So, students, you will read lesson carefully, be carefully, and answer the questions below given in textbook. Okay, thanks.